To point a domain to an IP address using GoDaddy, start by logging into your GoDaddy account and navigating to the Domain Manager section. Here you will see a list of all the domains you have registered with GoDaddy. Select the domain you want to point to an IP address. Next, click on the DNS button to access the domain name system settings for your domain. In the DNS Manager, you will see several record types such as A records, CNAME records, and MX records. To point your domain to an IP address, you need to create an A record. Click on the Add button to create a new A record. In the host field, enter the subdomain you want to point to the IP address. For example, if you want to point your main domain, enter @ in the Points to field. Enter the IP address you want to point your domain to. Enter the TTL value, which is the time to live. This is the amount of time the record is cached by DNS servers. The lower the value, the faster the changes will propagate. Click on the Save button to save the A record. Repeat the same process to create A records for the www subdomain. By entering www in the host field and the same IP address in the Points to field. After creating the A records, it may take some time for the changes to propagate globally. This is known as DNS propagation. During this time, your website may not be accessible from all locations. It is essential to note that DNS changes can take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours to propagate. Once the DNS propagation is complete, your domain will be pointing to the IP address you specified. It is also important to note that if you have any existing A records, you may need to delete them before creating new ones. Make sure to double-check the IP address you are pointing to, as pointing to the wrong IP address can result in downtime for your website.